We're all done. Did our supply chain visit and kind of did a number on the supply chain, I think. It was store was just remodeled in the last 9 months or so. We haven't been here in a long time. I would say it was pretty well stocked. There was things that were out of stock, but for the most part it was overstocked. Overstocked Walmart here in the Midwest, folks. It's Schwamsey with Susie Q, and that's what we got. No supply chain issue at this Walmart, guys.